Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Ion absorption and its factors which are affecting it. So ion absorption, there are enhancers and the inhibitors. So let's look at the enhancers. So enhancers is that you have all the acids, that is it can include the ascorbic acid, then comes the citric acid, then comes the amino acids, as well as the sugars which are present in the diet. So ascorbic acid, citric acid, amino acid, as well as the sugars present in the diet. Next is we have the inhibitors. So inhibitors of the ion absorption, inhibitors it includes, there is the tannins. So tannins are present. Next is there can be presence of the carbonates, carbonate. Then comes the presence of the oxalate. So tannins, carbonates, then the oxalates, as well as the presence of the phosphates. So there's tannins, there's carbamate, there's oxalate, as well as presence of the phosphate. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.